all these tens, we're gonna make them our own pile right here in the middle. They're all front cover. This is just so you can remember how I do it.
So welcome back to another video from this low view channel. But today we're hanging out with Slide King man himself, Bobby. What's your name, bro?
My name is Bobby Myers.
And we got Dustin over here working on a for the street car. Awesome. And this man over here, we're trying to teach him something. You know, since
yeah, the 10s don't take 12s off.
Well, he decided to go buy a G35 to drift in, so he got to learn this. Y'all know me. I learn from experience.
You already know what it is. Your boy finna go to the drift track. I got the verbal tune, got the flame tune, got the ballerina tune at the drift track.
We're gonna start paying you with food.
All he needs to work on this is a 10, a 12, and a screwdriver. And
that's it.
That's about it.
That's it.
No hammers?
No,
well,
you really shouldn't use hammers.
We're gonna jump to hyperlapse and keep this video on minimum.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go to last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off with the monster.
I would say fuck food.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is
So now,
everything. It's mentally unhealthily.
10, full oil pump.
I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of bleeding by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. It's just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the heat.
Build process is gonna take us 2 hours.
Oh, that's fine. All right, guys, motor's toned down. We got shit everywhere, but we gotta order a timing kit. So this man, he labored a little bit. He instructed. This man does what he always does, and me and this man over in the corner, we just talk shit the whole time. So. But hey, it's ripped down. We got parts in the box. We got your timing kit. So other than that, anybody want to say bye? Appreciate watching.
We gotta have a ripper. That's all I can say.
Hey, he says we're gonna have a ripper. No, that'll be the next motor. That's why I got 4 blocks. All right, people. Hey.
Later.
Later. Yep.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt.